Hello people, welcome to another round of data mining. Today we'll be learning a new concept called gradient boosting trees. To begin with, I'll explain you by defining what is gradient boosting trees. A gradient boosting tree is actually a technique which is used for classification or regression that produces a predictive model out of an ensemble of weak predictive models. I'll explain you with by doing the program. Let's take the dataset deals. Let's paste it on the process panel, and now let's search for the gradient boosted trees. This operator gives us a prediction of the data model. Alright, I'll explain you now. Let's do the apply model. Now the performance classification. This is actually for getting the accuracy level. And now let's rearrange it. Let's give the necessary connections. Gradient boosted tree, apply model, performance, and finally this thing. To add up, let's add the deals test set. We actually give this in the connection of the apply model. This is actually to get the connections over here has to be similar. So since both of these have similar attributes and all, we're connecting these both. And now let's run the program. This thing we got is the accuracy level. You can see the accuracy level is 99.40, which is pretty much high. So the decision tree which we got is pretty efficient. And now to get the decision boosted tree, I'll show you. This is the connection which we have to give. So after giving this connection, let's run it. And this is how we got the boosted tree. And now let's look at each one of them. You see, the tree over here explains us the future prediction of the customers who are gonna come, like the age, gender, payment method, and this is such tree. And these are various predictive models. You can see it's actually an ensemble of all the weak predictive models. That is how we do it. There are a total of 20 models. You can actually minimize it or maximize it depending upon the parameter which is over here, like the number of trees. Let's give it to 5, and now let's run it. So we get 5 trees. So that's how we actually do the gradient boosting technique. Since we got 5, we got the accuracy level as 100, which is pretty much efficient. We can do the same by cross-validation. Now let's delete all these. Let's delete it. And now validation. Let's search for cross-validation. Yeah, here is the cross-validation. Let's put it over here. Let's go in, and now boost it. Gradient boosted trees. Let's go with the apply model. Let's put the apply model and the performance classification. Now let's give the necessary connections. For the apply model, we need to give 2 connections. That's for input, and that's how we give it. We've connected everything. Let's go back to the process panel. Let's give the connections over here. In order to get the tree, you need to give this connection over here. Alright, now let's run it. The output of this is going to be trees and the accuracy level. Now let's check out the accuracy level through cross validation. Earlier it was 99.40 and now we got 99.60, which is, as you can see, pretty much efficient. And since we have given it as 20, we got 20 trees, each of them being ensembled from the weak prediction models. And this is how you actually do the gradient boosting technique. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.